Good morning children, this is 4th class maths. Today I am going to explain S2 area of irregular shapes in block 22. First I'll show an example children. See, this is the square paper, graph paper also will say this. What is area first? What is area children? Area is the measure of the covered surface. See, this inside part it is called area. This total will measure the length, that is called perimeter. This inside part surface, this surface is called the area. So how will find the area of this rectangular shape? How we have to find? See here, square boxes are there, no? See, first you have to count the number of squares, and each square is 1 square units. The area of this shape is how much we'll find? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 boxes. So what we did children, first we count the square boxes. So each square is measures square 1 square units. So answer, this area of this is rectangular shape is how much? 15 square units. Okay, you have to find the area like this children in square paper. So now open your workbook. Write date 11/2/2021. S2 area of irregular shapes. Okay, before doing this sums, 1 point, 2 points I'll give you children, that keep it in your mind. See a note. First one, the square shaded more than half would be counted as 1. Second, the square shaded half or less would be counted as half. I'll explain here children. First bit you do it as homework. Now only I explain on square paper. B bit, here this is a rectangular shape. So what you have to do children here? This is a square paper. First, how we'll find the area of this triangular? See, first count the square boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 square boxes are there. Here half of boxes are there, no? That 2 halves make 1 square. So 10, 11, 12, 12 and half. Okay. What is the shape of this triangular area? Shape of triangle area? 12 and half squares. 12 and half squares. I hope you understood children how to count. Full squares first you count, then half of 2 halves make 1 square. Okay. Now C bit do it as homework. Now D bit. Children, here I marked this half I taken as 1, and this small half I taken as half. This 2 I have taken as half. This 2 I have taken as half. Now we'll count full squares first. Square boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. 45. This is 46, 47, 47 and half. So 47 and half squares is the answer. Now second question. Explain how would we will the square boxes is given. Explain how you will squares and the area of the following shapes. See children, again same method you have to follow here. Full boxes you have to count as 1 and 2 halves makes 1 square box. So 1 2 3 1 1 2 3. See 3 boxes, 3, these 2 4, these 2 5, these 2 6, 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 square units. So what will write children here? Count the number of squares first, then 2 halves make 1 square. So area of this shape, irregular shape, is equal to how many squares? 8 square units. This B bit you do it as homework, and we'll continue with S3. Put the today's date 11/2/2021. S3, comparing areas. I'll show an example children. This is a rectangle and this is a square shape. Area of the shape is how much? 15 square units, and area of the shape is 4 square units. How will compare children? Which is the bigger? Which shape is having bigger area? I will say you the shape having more number of shaded squares on the, or number of square boxes, squares on the square paper has bigger area. Okay, now open your workbooks here. First question, measure and compare the area of the following shapes. A bit, you have to compare first one, second one. 2 shapes are given, you have to compare and write the answers here, which is bigger area. Here shaded parts, you have to count. This is square paper, some squares are shaded, that you have to count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Shape 1 is having 16 squares, and shape 2 1 2 3 4 squares. So which is bigger area, first one or second one? 16 squares, that is first figure is the bigger area. Now like this you have to find B1 C1 D1, you do it as homework. Second question, draw any 2 rectangles having same area but different perimeter. Same area but different perimeter. Here I draw 2 rectangular shapes children. First we'll find this rectangular shape area. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Area of this shape is how much? 6 square units. Perimeter means this total sides of the shape you have to add. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. So perimeter is 10 centimeter. Now find the shape area. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 square units. Perimeter is 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 centimeter. See here what they ask children here. Two rectangles. Draw any two rectangles having same area but different perimeters. See these two shapes having same area but perimeter is different. Okay. Now complete your workbook. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.